Welcome back to another video, Rankin family. We are looking at this beautiful Coventry Homes right here in the meadows of Imperial Oaks. This one's absolutely gorgeous. Even going into the front covered porch, you'll have that nice stone right there with the stucco exterior. And then as soon as we walk in, look how absolutely fantastic this property is. You have your curved staircase on top, and then you have that rotunda-like ceiling with the nice Sputnik chandelier. You have two of those, and then we'll start right here to the right so that way you can see you got the powder bath right here. Lighting fixture, decent size right here as well. You got the wood flooring throughout the first floor of the property, and as we see, you even got it continuing up the stairs. And then we'll start right here to the left. In your first bedroom right here, you have your beautiful accent wall, that wood-like accent wall right there. You got carpet in the bedrooms. Let me know in the comments what you folks think about carpet being in the bedrooms. And of course, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single day from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you are in that bucket now or in the future, don't hesitate to reach out to the information below. And also, if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button, tap that like button as well if you find value, of course. I'd love to have you become a part of the Rankin family. All right, so that one had the bathroom that was attached to it, and then you have your nice little coat closet right here. And I love this grand foyer. A lot of folks would put like a little table right here or a little decoration, so that way you'll be good to go. Have a nice aesthetic to the property. And this will be your study halfway through the hallway. So you'll have this bookshelf right here, this little built-in shelving. That way you can either have books or, nice little decorations right there. Plenty of space inside of this study. You have the nice glass French doors. Has that nice modern aesthetic to the property, which is fantastic. And then even going into your great room, you have that beautiful chandelier on the top with the 20-foot ceilings. Plenty of windows for natural light inside of the property. With that stone fireplace, gives it a nice aesthetic. That modernist, fantastic. And of course, as you folks love Coventry Homes on this channel, I want to bring you exactly what you folks like. So let me know in the comments on a scale of 1 to 10 so far how we're looking. But even looking at this kitchen, it's fantastic. You have your farmhouse sink with your gold trim faucet right there. Nice oversized island. Plenty of cabinet space on top. You have enough room for an oversized refrigerator. And then here's your pantry, of course. So this one's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath property, a little bit over 3,100 square feet. So it just kind of gives you a basis of the size of this particular floor plan. And then right here, you have your carpet going into your primary bedroom. You got the nice chandelier right here as well with the bay windows. You got 5 of those. The nice little accent wall. Keep in mind, folks, this is the model house, like I always mention. So some of these upgrades you may see in here may or may not come with the other a property or inventory or what have you. But if it's something where you like it, and of course, we can see what we can do about getting you taken care of. But then even going into the primary bathroom, you'll have that tile flooring. Got your nice soaking tub right there with the his and her sink. You got the gold trim lighting fixtures on both sides as well with the standing shower. And if you notice, even right here, you have a lot of that gold trim with the gold trim on the shower knob, the shower head itself, even the shower bench. And if you notice also, you have that tile that matches the flooring as well going in to the standing shower as well. So you got plenty of space. Even walking in right here, you have that built-in cabinetry right there. Has a nice aesthetic to it as well. And then you got your toilet right here to the right. And then this will be your primary closet right here. So you got plenty of space. It's nice how they have a little built-in safe right here, but of course, it just depends on you know, different upgrades and different options. I'm certain it won't come with the home that you do purchase, but of course we could see what we can do about that. And then of course you have your laundry room right here going in here with the tile. You have that black tile, looks fantastic. And even right here, so right to the right would be your 3-car garage, but you have your mudroom right there. You're utilizing it currently as a sales office at the present. And then even looking up there, absolutely gorgeous. And then what we'll do is we'll head up the curved staircase so that way you can see how we're looking upstairs. So we have 2 bedrooms downstairs. We should have 2 up. And then this will be your little game room area. I always love when they have the pool table in here because it just adds a nice little touch to a game room. I mean, if you think about a game room, you would think about a pool table, maybe a hockey table, something like that. But we'll pan right here. Look how gorgeous that is. And then we'll head to our little media area. You have your high bar right here with the granite countertops. And then look how gorgeous this is. So if you notice, you got your tray ceilings with your LED lighting on that upper ledge. And I think they did a great job of decorating this. Of course, this, with the model house, you have a lot of nice decorations. Folks always wonder when they see the inventory homes why it doesn't have that nice pop, and it's because a lot of this furniture and things like that. But it's perfect right there. Perfect for entertaining family. Coming out here, you have it sectioned off, so you have your game room right here with the media room. You may have to tell them to keep the noise down because they might be having fun while you're watching a movie. All right, and this will be your 3rd bedroom right here. So you have plenty of space. I'd say you'll be able to fit a queen size bed in here comfortably with 2 night tables and 2 nightstands with the dresser. You still have a decent amount of walk room right there. And then you have your nice size walk-in closet, plenty of space. So anything over 3,000 square feet is something that can definitely accommodate a growing family, which is exactly what you would want. Even if you do have kids, if you don't have kids, you know, a lot of us, we do have family and stuff that want to come over and they'll get you taken care of. You got your double sinks right there with your shower tub combo in here, pretty standard for the most part. And then we'll head to the 4th and final bedroom. And then even right here, they have that nice little accent wall. That wood accent wall looks pretty interesting. Haven't seen that in any of the model houses that we've toured, at least so far. So let me know what you think about that. And even going in here. So yeah, you know, Coventry Homes is definitely one of those reputable builders that you definitely want to take advantage of. You know, you got Coventry Homes, you got Perry Homes. A lot of these are very well desired. And then I'll pan one more look right here. So you got your rotunda ceiling up there. You have plenty of storage space, plenty of, you know, ledge. That ledge right there gives it a nice touch, so you can add a lot of decorations like how they did right here. And then the chandelier, the double chandelier is definitely interesting to me. But if you could imagine coming down here in the morning, going for breakfast, this would be a perfect place for you. And then we'll see the backyard. So as you can see already, the backyard, they have that covered backyard patio, which is great Coventry is known for doing the high ceilings in the covered backyard, just because you want that illusion of having a lot more space as well. And a lot of times what I notice is that if you do have lower, a lower ceiling height in the covered backyard patio, it tends to echo. Even if you do put furniture and things like that, you definitely don't want to be in a situation where everything's echoing, if that makes sense. And then I'll take a look at the backyard, and that, folks, is Coventry Homes. All right, family, I hope you absolutely love this property. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Of course, if you do want more information, all the information is in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.